When your Westinghouse heated blanket won't turn on, there are several systematic troubleshooting steps you can follow to identify and potentially resolve the issue. Step 1. Check the power connection. Ensure the blanket is securely plugged into a working electrical outlet. Test the outlet with another device to rule out power supply issues. Step 2. Inspect the controller and its connections. Look for any visible damage, such as frayed wires, cracks, or burn marks on the controller, power cord, and connection points. Step 3. Check for error codes. If you see error codes like E or EE on the display, this typically indicates a connection problem or insufficient power supply to the blanket. Step 4. Try resetting the blanket. Turn off the blanket, unplug it from the wall, and disconnect the controller if it's detachable. Wait 10 to 15 minutes, then reconnect everything and try turning it on again. Modern Westinghouse heated blankets include important safety features like overheat protection and automatic shutoff timers. These features may cause the blanket to turn off if they detect unsafe conditions. Finally, always verify that your heated blanket has proper safety certifications. Look for ETL and FCC certification marks, which ensure the product meets important safety and electromagnetic compatibility standards. These systematic troubleshooting steps will help you identify most common issues with Westinghouse heated blankets. If these steps don't resolve the problem, the issue may require professional repair or replacement. If basic troubleshooting hasn't resolved the issue, the problem may be a blown thermal fuse inside the controller. This small component protects against overheating, but can fail over time. Replacing a thermal fuse requires soldering skills and electronic knowledge. While some users have successfully repaired controllers this way, it involves opening the device and working with electrical components. However, if you're not comfortable with electronics repair, it's strongly recommended to avoid DIY fixes. Working with electrical components poses serious risks, including electrical shock and fire hazards. Before deciding on repair or replacement, thoroughly inspect your blanket for physical damage. Look for burn marks, exposed wires, tears in the fabric, or any signs of wear that could compromise safety. If your blanket shows any signs of damage or is no longer under warranty and cannot be easily repaired, the safest option is replacement. This ensures both safety and reliability for continued use. Modern heated blankets offer significant improvements over older models. They feature user-friendly controls, machine-washable materials, better safety systems, and more reliable operation. When safety is a concern or repairs are not feasible, investing in a new heated blanket ensures you get the latest safety features and reliability. Always look for proper certifications and warranty coverage when making your selection.